Aloha. Today I want to show you what I do with my bones that I have left over after I make bone broth. So I've got some bones here. I made bone broth maybe 3 days ago, so these kind of are drying out. So there's a lot of nutrients left in the bones. Bones have a lot of phosphorus as well as calcium and a bunch of other minerals and nutrients. So you don't want to just throw them in the garbage and waste them. So what I do is I take the bones after I make bone broth and I toss them around all my fruit trees. So here I've got some papayas and I've got a couple avocado trees. So I'll put these around, just spread, all over the place. And it's like a slow release nitrogen, or not nitrogen, there's a little bit of nitrogen in there, but it's a slow release phosphorus and calcium stuff. Hey guys, these are not food for you. Anyways, just toss them all over the place, spread them out, and they're gonna break down over time. The worms will come up, munch on them, and they're gonna break down, release calcium into the soil, release phosphorus, help these papayas ripen up. The chickens, of course, think I'm here to feed them. Got a purple star apple tree over here. Might as well put one over there. Maybe one over to the banana tree. Chickens are getting confused. Boom. So it's super easy. As soon as you're done with your bone broth, take the bones out, let them dry out, and then go and set them around your property. I mean, you can put them in your compost bin if you want. But yeah, I put them around all my fruit trees, bananas, citrus, papaya, avocados, pretty much anything. I just throw them around the property and they break down over time. So there you have it. That's what I do with my bones after I make bone broth. That way you're getting multi-purpose. You're getting the healthy bone broth to drink, and then your bones are going and feeding your plants. The chickens are even trying to eat the bones right now. I mean, what are you guys doing? They're getting little bits and pieces off of there. Make sure to like the video, subscribe, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Aloha.